trying to get the motor somewhat assembled. You can see we got the rear end back in the car. Haven't really done much over here, but I do want to get that somewhat ready to go. So today I'm going to try to get the cam in, lifters in, maybe even the heads on. Can't do an oil pan because it's on this motor. But yeah, so I'm just going to get right to it. just about got this thing as assembled as it's gonna be for right now. I'm gonna leave the front accessories off of it, the intake off of it, and then can't really do the rear main until it's off the engine stand, so I'll do that when I'm getting ready to put it in the car. No oil pan because that's still on the motor in there. So that's pretty much how she's gonna sit for now. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's not top-notch quality. I ended up getting a knock sensor delete valley cover plate, so that'll look pretty good. And then eventually, once it's in the car, I got this different alternator bracket, which will sit something kind of like that. So that'll look nice with all the black going on. But for right now, that's just about gonna be all that I'm doing on the motor. So I'm gonna end off this video and then kind of get around to getting the motor out of the car and getting that all ready. But yeah, so for right now, that's gonna be the end. I'll see you guys in the next video, and adios. Bye.